This video tutorial is about how you can fix AirPod or AirPod Pro case not charging issues. My AirPod is working fine. When I wake up in the morning, battery extremely low and my AirPod case failed to charge and one side AirPod failed to charge, but other side AirPod showed charging. Then I open an AirPod case lid and AirPod inside and close to the iOS devices. You can see the detail about the AirPods case battery status below under charging case, and you can see the battery status under your AirPods. When you plug the charger, the status light flashes amber. Won't show means the case is not charging. I always recommend to use a MFI certified lightning cable. Here you can see the lightning cable is not going to charging connector properly. You can see gapping means bad contact of cable to port. Charging port can hold dot and stock in them, so make sure that the port is clean. Let's have a look at the condition of the port. Remember that don't use metal object. If you doing by this, may make short on circuit. I am here using a toothpick to scrape the dot out. Here you can see the layer of the dot that I cleaned. Clean the charging case, lightning port. Now you can see the lightning cable attached to the AirPod case and no any gapping and start charging too. You can see the status light flashes amber. The AirPods charging case is now start charging. The AirPod case failed to charge AirPods means bad contact of AirPod to the charging case. Here you can see two metal cap attached to the bottom of the AirPod. This pin connect to the charging pin of the AirPod inside. If that pin failed to connect, then the result is not charging AirPods. So I am here clean on both AirPods and AirPods case too. Now AirPod start charging. Hope this will help you if you are able to fix your issues with the help of this video. Don't forget to drop a comment below and write how you solve your issues too. Feel free to ask if you got any problems. Stay with us by subscribe. Press bell for the latest video notification. Love from our side, the GSM solution. Peace out till the next time. Stay safe, stay granted.